In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Last Day on Earth mod menu. And yes, this method works on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on the screen, this mod menu gives you access to all the available hacks, including unlimited coins, free craft, and many other powerful features for Last Day on Earth survival. Inside the mod menu, you'll find multiple options such as God Mode, unlimited coins, free craft, high speed, all items unlocked, and much more. These features allow you to progress faster and enjoy the game without limitations on both iOS and Android. Before we get started, make sure your Last Day on Earth game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the game, and check if an update is available. Once your game is fully updated, you're good to go. The next step is very simple. Scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In that pinned comment, I explain exactly where and how to get the Last Day on Earth mod menu safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.